Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Hackers break-fixed Tesla car bug that let them get in without key. Security hackers from Belgian University KU Leuven revealed that a vulnerability found by them last year, which was fixed by Tesla, could still be exploited. They had broken the 40-bit encryption of a Tesla Model S key fob to get inside the car without using the original key. They now broke the updated 80-bit encryption by cracking two 40-bit keys. Sony, Yamaha partner to develop self-driving cart for theme parks. Sony and Yamaha have partnered to build the SC1 Sociable Cart, a self-driving cart for theme parks, golf courses and commercial facilities. It can seat up to 5 people, has replaceable batteries, and a broader front and rear scope of view. Sony and Yamaha plan to launch services using the cart in Japan in fiscal 2019. Ferdinand Piëch, who built Volkswagen into a 12-brand empire. Ferdinand Piëch, Volkswagen's former chairman and CEO who built the company into a 12-brand empire, passed away on Sunday aged 82. Piëch, who had 12 children with 4 different women, died suddenly and unexpectedly. His wife Ursula said, the grandson of Beetle designer Ferdinand Porsche. Piëch resigned as Volkswagen chairman in April 2015, months before the diesel scandal was exposed.